Reason number 7 is dividends. So as long as your stocks are delivering higher than the an average mutual fund, then you might not consider this as a very important reason. But the moment you see that your stocks are not delivering or are at par with the average mutual fund, then dividends can be a problem. For example, dividends will be taxed as per your tax slab, income tax slab. So if you are in the highest income tax slab, not just you are not doing much better than an average mutual fund, you are also your dividends that is distributed is also taxed as per your slab. So this might seem less when you're starting off, but over the period like 10, 20, 30 years, these tax on dividends can amount to a significant value. So this could also be a reason why you can consider investing via a mutual fund for the initial journey start, so that you can save a lot on your taxes.